Okay, bye girls. So have a good day at horse riding. Anya, here's your deck. It's got everything you need in it, your drink and everything. And there's yours. It's got the same as well as here, so yeah, have fun. Okay, so 1 minute. There you go. One horsey. Oops, sorry guys. That's okay. Two horsey. Okay, so So the secret to ride horses is you need to get your legs around them. I'm gonna pop you over there now. So I'm just gonna move it. If they have braids in them, just move it. And then over here. So you need to get your hands into the hooks, like that. And then you just need to get in position. And then as soon as you say hee-ha, and then just like waft it, ding, there you go. Hee-ha! It might take a long time for you to not fall off, but there. Okay, so you wanna try? Yeah, I guess. Okay, so I'll help you on. If your shoes fall off, then don't worry. There you go. So sit down. And get your hands ready.